Hi guys, Big L's VW Rat Rod here at VW Coco's headquarters with Max and Andy. There they are. This is my second attempt at the video because I just tried doing one and then went to push stop and took a photo and realised I had it on camera and not on video. But yep, I've got some welding done today. It's a patch that the previous owner or the owner before that or the owner before that had done, which was holy. So that's done. I'll put that piece in as well now. So now I've just got to put a plate between those two bits. Cut down this so it's a circle again. That's where the clutch master goes through, the brake master even. Plate that in, finish a floor inside. Not a lot of that to do. I think it's just that side. One there. Be the same, and just a few little patches and that's all ready to go. A few little bits like this. Yeah, hole. So yeah, but it is coming together nicely. It's filling up with junk, as I always do. Love it. My bits ready. So it's just at the point now where it's getting not far off, getting ready to start building. Which I'll be glad to see the back of the building, but I've also enjoyed it. But I mean, I've been not done any for a few weeks because I've been too scared to. Because I had a lump of metal in my eye. And it's just put me off doing it for a bit, but got on and did that today. And all went well, but wearing a mask all the time now, or grinding goggles or mask or whatever I need, actually doing it properly, so big up to that, so that's good. And yeah, it is getting there. My gazebo's still standing, which is good. My fuel tank over there, and there's my remains of all of my old drums for the panels. With that, we're gonna call it a day, I think, and say we're getting there. See you on the next one. Cheers, bye.